Hello. I'm making this video because it's been really hard to clean the antique hardware around my house that was built in 1938. It has gorgeous hardware that's every bit of it's been painted. This is white. These beautiful door handles. The part here. All over the house. They're all painted. So these here, these aren't painted, but they're so old and full of grime and nastiness from, 30 years of the previous owner and, 5 years of us. So here's one that I did yesterday. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, you could still tell it's old and antique because it still has a little bit of wear and tear. But look at the color on that. That is beautiful. So I fixed this. This is the basement door. We're fixing everything because we're refinancing. So we're remodeling and we want to eventually sell the house. So here's my secret. I'm boiling them. Just water. Boiling them. My neighbor gave me this. Took me forever and hardly got anything done. Then I figured, well, maybe it was just old, so I bought some new stuff. Then my mom told me about this. Oh my goodness. I will never ever buy any product like Brasso ever again. And I want to share this with the whole world. I want to show you this. It's amazing.